used to roll with a crew called the Vicious Chickens. We thought we were cool. We even had our own walk, the Chicken Walk. Strutting down the street with arms akimbo, except me. I was a pledge. I had to walk with my arms in front of me. Like all gangs, you had to address other members in a special way. When you address another chicken, you are to do so in a vicious manner. Do you understand that?
Bark, 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 bark.
When we were feeling real cool, we'd walk backwards. One of our favorite activities was to bust on Donut. He sold hot dogs, and when he would say, "do not," it came out sounding like, "Donut tell me how to make hot dog." Hey Donut, the city found coal under the street. They're gonna start strip mining. And they're closing the Catholic school across the street. You're gonna have no customers.
Besides, all the kids got cancer from eating your hot dogs.
However, Donut gave as good as he got. You really think you are some things, really some things. Oh, look at us, we the vicious chicken. Oh, look, we do the vicious chicken walk. Oh, look at that. Oh, look who comes. The Academy girls. Girls, you like go with vicious chickens?
Ew, no, they're losers.
My mother said, "Do not go out with them."
This I am liking. Say donut to the chickens.